The Pentagon has authorized up to 600 military lawyers to serve as immigration judges. This decision could reshape the immigration court system. On August 27, 2025, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth approved the deployment of up to 600 military attorneys, many of them Judge Advocate Generals or JAGs. These attorneys will serve as temporary immigration judges with assignments lasting up to 179 days each. The Department of Justice asked for this move to help with the massive immigration court backlog, over 3.5 million pending immigration cases. Right now, the number of active immigration judges has dropped to around 600, meaning this initiative could effectively double the system's capacity, at least on paper. The U.S. immigration courts are overwhelmed, delays stretch for years, and hundreds of judges have resigned or been removed in recent months since the new administration came to power. By bringing the military lawyers, the government hopes to clear cases faster and relieve pressure on the system. The first group of about 150 attorneys could be deployed within weeks. Of course, there are some concerns with this news, but what we can see is here's where it actually gets controversial. Critics warn this plan could put due process at risk. Immigration law is extremely complex, and military lawyers are not trained specialists in this area. The American Immigration Lawyer Associations compare it to cardiologists doing actually hip replacement. Others argue this threatens judicial independence. Military officers operate in a chain of command, which raises concerns about command influence over actually court rulings. Finally, some legal experts say this actually sets a dangerous precedent because in the U.S. history, military officers presiding over civilian courts has been linked to martial law, something the Supreme Court has ruled unconstitutional in the past. This move is actually part of a broader pattern. More military involvement in immigration enforcement. We have already seen National Guard deployments at the border and even detention facilities run with the military support. Now, with the military attorneys judging civilian immigration cases, the line between civilian and military authority is actually blurred further. This is a huge news, we can say, and we're all going to see how these military lawyers actually doing immigration judge positions or acting as an immigration judge. We're all going to see how this is going to play out, and if there are any news actually about this, we'll be sharing with our followers, and I hope this video helps our followers, and have a great day. This is attorney Ogmen.